Good afternoon passengers, this is your city service. Our next stop will be Strathfield, followed by Burwood, then all stations to Redfern, then Central.
This is how we start. From ferry to watching the tall buildings in the heart of Sydney. Just the peak of Westfield Tower, the beautiful Sydney Opera House and everlasting harbour breeze. We reached Sydney's Harbour Island, Cockatoo Island. The UNESCO listed site is famous among the Sydneysiders, which brings a lot of crowd daily. Being one of the biggest shipyards in late 50s to early 90s, it was a home for indigenous Australians for a long time before the Europeans arrived. Later, this place was used as a convict prison. Although this place holds a lot of history, these days it's known as a place to spend quality time. Visitors can go for a picnic, barbecue, or just wander around and enjoy the amazing view. It is open for everyone every day. It is also famous for camping and one of the best places in Sydney to enjoy the Sydney's popular New Year's Eve fireworks.